Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Donna, or welcome back to Cooking with Donna. If you're new to the channel, you enjoy the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It truly helps support my channel. Meanwhile, today we are in fall season, so that's what we're doing. I am baking up some gooey pumpkin butter bars. They're so simple to make, few ingredients, and they are delicious. Everything you need for these will be in that description box, okay? So here in my box is just to get you a butter cake mix. This one's a 13.25. So just get you a box of your favorite butter flavored cake mix. And there I have an egg, my cake mix, and a stick of butter, which is a half a cup. They don't call it ooey gooey butter for nothing, right? And I'll save that cup there because I got to melt some more butter. But I'm going to get my mixer here and get this mixed up. Okay, here I have lightly oiled a 9 by 13. You want it non-stick, okay? You don't want to have a hard time getting those out. Now, if you don't have a hand mixer, you can do this by hand. You're just going to get it mixed up until it's all mixed up. And you can see how there it's going to be. You're just going to pat that evenly as possible into your 9 by 13 oiled pan or sprayed. Okay, as you can see there, I have that all patted out, even as I could get it. Now we're going to move this over here. Get this out of the way. I don't know if I brought that up. Oven temp is 350 Fahrenheit, okay? So we're going to make sure your cream cheese is at room temp. That way it'll beat up better for you and it'll be more creamy. You don't want no lumps in there. So we're going to beat our cream cheese. Now you're going to be using pumpkin puree. Make sure it says 100% pumpkin puree. Don't get the pumpkin pie mix. That will not be pretty. You want the 100% pumpkin puree, okay? So I'm going to get this in there and I'm going to get that beat up till it's nice and creamy. Okay, now to that, I'm going to put a splash of vanilla in there. Maybe a teaspoon. We're going to add our melted butter. Now, as I said, it's all in the description, y'all. Okay? Our spices, and this is delicious. And boy, does it taste like fall. Y'all ready for fall? There's my eggs. You're just basically dumping the rest of it all in and getting it mixed up. And this is a 16-ounce box of the powdered sugar. Now I'm going to stir this up a little bit before I turn that mixer on. Okay, I'm going to get that all mixed up. Okay, I have it all mixed up. My oven is ready. I just beat it up maybe a minute just till everything's blended together. And you're just going to pour this right over top of that, whatever you want to call it, cake batter. But these are so good, y'all. I'm going to scrape all this out, get this all evened out. Get it all evened out, get it in the oven, 350. It's going to bake anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. You do want the center to be a little bit jiggly. Don't overbake it because they are gooey bars. You don't want to overbake it. So I'm going to finish scraping my bowl and into the oven it goes. Okay, my friends, it's been about 5 hours since I've seen y'all. I baked mine for about an hour. Ovens vary. Just like I said, if it jiggles in the middle a little bit, it's done. You don't want to bake it till it's, you know, all firm. The sides will start pulling away, but don't overbake it. Do not overbake it. And I chilled it for, I think it's been almost 5 hours. And I cut them. And here they are. You can see them. They are very rich, though. It won't take much. I probably cut mine too big because it doesn't take much. And if you got some homemade whipping cream or some of that stuff in the can, the Ready Whip, some Cool Whip, you can dollop those on the top and keep them cool in the fridge for your Halloween party or just a dinner, you know, for dessert. They're delicious. But I did bake them about an hour. Like I said, don't over bake them. This is my favorite, which is the corners, because you can see here, this is very chewy. They're chewy. They're delicious. And I'll get a bite here with y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Now, when you cut them, you'll kind of get that ragged edge on them. But if you want them nice and smooth for presentation, just do what I did. Just smooth them out with a butter knife. That's what I did. Just to make them look pretty. But anyway, there they are. Oh, they're good, though. Boy, they're good. If you like them, please drop me a comment if you try them. They really are good. They're different. They're something like a pumpkin pie, but that crust is chewy. And they're ooey gooey. They're really good. And everything you need is in the description box. So, until next time, you guys have a beautiful evening. Eat well, love one another, take care of one another, and you have a beautiful evening and you stay blessed. We will see y'all later. Bye-bye.